Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Billie from Billie Bust Up. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start by drawing two large ovals for the eyes. Now inside each one, let's add a circle on the top left. Then let's add another oval behind it in the center. And then let's color both of these in black. Next, on top of each eye, let's add a curve and then bring it down on the outside. And then let's thicken both of these lines up slightly. Lastly, let's add another curve at the bottom. And that's it for the eyes. Next, let's move down and draw the nose. Underneath in the center, let's draw a curve up and around, and the same on the right, forming a heart shape. And then color it in black. Now let's move underneath and draw the mouth. From the center, let's draw a curve out and up on both sides. And then add a small curve at the ends. Next, let's hop to the sides and let's start drawing the shape of the head. Let's start on the sides next to the eyes and let's draw a curve down and flick it out at the bottom. Then let's curve it back in, a V-shaped point out, and then another one curving down. And then from both sides, let's curve it down towards the center for the chin. Next, let's hop back to the top and let's draw two small bumps on both sides. Next, let's draw the piece of hair on top of the head. Let's start on top in the center and let's draw a curved V shape down and back up, making it a little bit closer to the left eye. Then let's add another piece of hair going down to the eye and back up. Now from the center, let's draw another piece going up to the left. Then we're going to add another S-shaped curve up and back down to close it off. Now that we have the top piece of hair, let's move back down and let's draw the eyebrows. For the right eyebrow, let's draw a curve down and then bring it down to the right from the top and bottom. And then for the left eyebrow, we're going to do the same thing, but we're going to make it behind the hair. And it should end up like this. Now let's color both of the eyebrows in black. Next, let's hop down and let's draw a small oval on the right cheek. And that's it for the face. Now let's move back up and let's draw the horns. On the top right, let's draw a curve up, then a V-shaped curve on top. Then let's add two curves inside. Then let's close off the top of the head here by drawing another curve over to the hair. Now let's hop over and draw the left horn behind the hair. On the left side, under the hair, let's draw a curve down, and then add another curve inside. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and draw the body. Let's start underneath the center of the head and let's draw a circle for the bell. Then inside, let's draw two curves across the center. Now in the bottom section, let's draw two black circles on the left and on the right. and then a thick line across in the center. Next, let's add the collar. On both sides, let's draw a curve down and bring it in. And then a line across the center on both sides. Now let's move down and let's draw the arms. We'll start with a diagonal line down and out on both sides. And the same thing underneath. Now at the ends, let's add the hands. From the top line, let's draw a curve up and bring it back down for the first finger. And the same on the right. Then for the next finger, let's draw a curve going down and back up. And then one more to close off each hand. Next, inside the bottom of each finger, let's add a curve. And lastly, an oval on each palm. And that's it for the arms and hands. Now let's move back inside and let's draw the body. Let's start with a curve down, bring it out, and back in on both sides. Then let's hop inside under the collar and let's draw a wavy line down to close it off on both sides. Now let's move inside under the bell and let's add a piece of hair. Let's draw a curved V shape on the left and right. Then two more. And then one more V shape in the center. Next, let's hop to the bottom and let's draw a curve across. And that's it for the upper body. Now let's move underneath and draw the legs. Let's start underneath from the sides and let's draw a line down on both sides. Then hop inside and let's do the same thing, but let's make it longer. Now for the outside line, let's curve it out and down for the tops of the feet. And then close off each foot at the bottom. Next, let's hop inside and let's draw a curve across each of the ankles. Then inside each foot, let's add another curve going down. And then one more curve inside. And that's it for the legs and feet. Now let's add the ears. Let's start on the top of the head next to the horns and let's draw a curve out and bring it down. And the same on the right. Then let's continue that line under the hand by bringing it out and back in at the bottom. Now let's hop inside underneath the head and let's draw a line down to the arm on both sides. Then continue it underneath the arm and curve it out. Then let's add one more diagonal line at the bottom to close off the ears. Next, let's move inside and draw the inner details. Let's start at the top of the head again and let's draw another curved line. Then let's move in and let's draw another line for the other side. Then let's bring both of these lines underneath the arms, coming to a point. Lastly, inside these outer sections, let's draw a curve underneath the hand. And then another curve from the inside part a little bit higher up. And that's it for Billie. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!